They go on some one them part and all the seeds, the white part and all.
The white part them.
Yes.
So we are get ribs now, people. See. So like how you weave some of it. We have place to pushy ribs.
Yes.
Okay. That is why people. That is why I couldn't. Cause I know maybe you may be thinking that okay, maybe you could just put in all the ribs one time, but it can't be done like that. Cause you don't have the space to push them. So you have to weave some of it. So that's the you can have place to push the ribs, the rest of ribs. So you must prepare the other ribs, shave it down and thing.
When you cut all these, you make them all in banya come narrow. You know, so why do you put it? It be nice, you know.
Yeah.
Meat, you know.
Oh.
Alright, so this side, so they catch them in, you think them in, you know.
Oh, right. So you fill out the rest of space them.
Catch that one, you know, and
yeah. When you catch that now, when you burn up that little one, you just catch one next one.
Cut out this right here.
Come, puppy. What do them? Me not have no food, you know. Barking your food all like you, eh? Come make every dog know whistle. Me don't know how with whistle make dog always wiggle and tail and happy when they hear whistle. Every dog dance when I was something. So what? Every one of them has a start whistle. Good day. All when them just born. Yeah, whistle you hear they sit down again.
The concrete part over the side in Japan for the kid and bottom this. Yeah, you know the price. That's how we price them to, you know, we shoot them like so. You see it? Yeah, price it.
Oh.
You run from this one back.
Okay.
And eat it after you left out that piece, you know.
Oh, so just put it, make it lap on it.
Yeah, you left out that, you know. And I go to this.
So when you're done, we have to cut off a piece of it.
Yes, yeah, chimoki after you done, you know, chimoki.
Okay. And each time you wrap it on, you have to make sure you push them up.
Yes.
Make sure then they're right underneath one another.
Yes, and they need it. So.
So people know, you see why we cut the bands tall. So that's, we don't have to splice every minute. So one tall band can bring the basket a far away before you splice again. Who love croton? It's croton there. Easy to catch, just broke off the side, the branch and push in at the earth.
Put in the water and you go with the plant.
Yeah, put in the water. Put in a little pot. Easy to catch. Variegated croton. See that one there? Have yellow and green. And the one over here, so. One over here, so have yellow, green, red. See that? Yeah, people are from what time we there, Mr. About 8 o'clock. No, I no reach after 9, man. I reach before that. I remember say when me come down, Brian no reach, no pass, Brian disappear, you know. Yeah. So in about 2:08, me come down here. Yeah, and now 12:52, now almost 1 o'clock. So you see, people, it take time because you want to make as perfect as possible. If I some man, them would just beach up here. But we want to make good, so we spend time. But as long as it frame up, ribs up, everything alright. Just plot and go through. But what you find out is that while you are plot, when the ribs them draw up and in them place, you find say you might have to add more ribs, because you don't want the band them fit if you draw too far. Put, yeah.
You want food I bottom here right down here.
So when I reach up my frame, I say wrap the frame. Wrap the frame 2 times.
Yes, 2 times.
2 times wrap the frame. And then you go back. Like you alternate. Up, under, over, under, over, under, over. Yeah, make sure when you reach the frame, you burn it 2 times. Let's see how it burn again. That take care of that over there. But I angle like basket there, so angle on the belly. Yeah. Oh, they so they don't want tension, look. Maintain the bend. Yeah.
Put the more ribs in and stuff.
So you all the ribs out now. Yes, so what time now? 3:38. We're here from 2:08 this morning. So if me die like help you more still you'd have done quicker. I could have prepare the band them. Platty and you prepare something.
Alright, go and tell me go cover that side now.
Hello, now that you're at the end, if this video was beneficial to you, please consider subscribing. To subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and then click the bell icon beside it so that you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you.